is the current, I naught is the peak value of current. You already know this much. I is the definition of current, I naught is peak value of current. So I am just starting with my derivation is DC, because after the RMS effect AC is converted into DC. This is the DC. One cycle is attaining time is T. Time period. What is the time period? How much of time is necessary to complete it in a one cycle? That is called as time period. So half of it T by 2. I am considering a small portion here. That time is dt. This y-axis contains I square, because I want to find out root mean square value. Am I right? Root mean square value. That instantaneous current is I. That instantaneous current equal to I naught sin omega t. Why I am taking omega t? This is an angular case. That's why. What is I? Instantaneous current. What is I naught? Peak value of current. I is instantaneous current. I naught is peak value of current. Then square of this instantaneous current, that is called as RMS value. So RMS value have a two different notation. I square bar, otherwise IRMS. समझ रहे क्या? I square bar भी, IRMS भी, RMS value. What is RMS value? Root mean square value का symbol. ठीक है नैश? So it is proper. Okay. So I am taking IRMS value, I square bar. So what is that? 1 by T. How I am taking 1 by T? 0 to T. 0 to T, that is my duration. 0 to T I square dt. What is the meaning is that? The small portion का value मेरे को मालूम है I square है. ठीक है ना? इसको इंटीग्रेट करो, क्या मिलेगा? पूरा साइकिल का मिलेगा. Clear everyone? What can I do? I am considering a small portion. This small portion में current value I square है. So that I square you should take to integrate. You will get the full cycle का IRMS value मिलेगा. So I square is the IRMS value of this small portion. What we want to do? We want to find out IRMS value of this full cycle. How we should take? Integrate this answer. So I am just taking integration 0 to T I square dt. What is I? I naught sin omega t. I will replace this I equal to I naught sin omega t all square dt. This much clear होगा? Pause the video. So RMS value I square bar equal to 1 by T. Why this 1 by T here? Half of that value. 1 by T integral 0 to T I square dt. I is replaced by I naught square sin square omega t dt. How is the method of integration? Constant बाहर डालो. So I naught is the constant. Peak value का integration क्या है? Peak value भी. So I naught I am just taking outside. I naught square. This t भी इधर है. Integral 0 to t sin square omega t dt. Sin square omega t we have to write it as in the trigonometrical way. Half 1 minus cos 2 omega t. How it will be getting? Trigonometric function है. Sin square omega, sin square theta equal to half 1 minus cos 2 theta. I don't know, I know. I think 2 sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta, like that expression. From that expression, this will be coming. This is a trigonometrical function. Sin square omega t means half 1 minus cos 2 omega t. So what is our next step? This sin square omega t we have to replace this. Take the constant term outside. Then other two terms we want to integrate. Clear everyone? I2 bar equal to I naught square divided by t sin 2 omega t explanation I am writing here dt. This half is a constant I am taking outside 2t again. This t के block 1 by 2t. Then 1 का integrate करना. Integral 0 to t 1 dt minus integral 0 to t cos 2 omega t dt. This much clear everyone? Yes. Then after that I naught square 2t same either. 1 का integral is 1. So 1 into upper limit t, lower limit 0. So t minus 0. देख रहे क्या सत्या? Okay. Then minus cos 2 omega t का integral है sin 2 omega t divided by omega. क्लियर है एवरीवन? cos 2 ओमेगा टी का इंटीग्रल क्या है? sin 2 ओमेगा टी डिवाइडेड बाय ओमेगा। लिमिट अप्लाई करो, अपर लिमिट t का प्लेस में कैपिटल T, लोअर लिमिट हो तो पूरा 0 हो जाए। देन आफ्टर दैट this sin 2 omega t divided by omega में sin 2 omega t है ना, what is the meaning? sin 2 into what is the meaning of omega? 2 pi by t, omega equal to 2 pi by t into t, t cancel होगा, sin 2 into 2 pi 4 pi, pi का वैल्यू 180, 180 into 4, 180 into 4 कितना है देखो, 180 into 4 is 0। क्लियर एवरीवन? sin 4 pi हो जाएगा, sin 4 pi वैल्यू इज 0, so this term is 0, this term 0, this term 0, so what is the balance? I naught square divided by 2t into t, t will be cancel होगा, I naught square divided by 2, what is this? I square का बार, okay, हम लोग को क्या पकड़ना चाहिए? IRMS, what is IRMS? square root of this data, that is IRMS। clear everyone? so I am just taking square root of this data, IRMS equal to square root of this data, what is this I2 bar? I naught square divided by 2, I naught square का square root क्या है? I naught, 2 का square root क्या है? root 2 का वैल्यू 1.414, so divide करो, answer is 0.707 I naught, this is the value of IRMS। clear everyone? so you just keep it in your mind, IRMS value is 0.707 I naught, otherwise IRMS equal to I naught by root 2, IRMS equal to I naught by root 2, what is I naught? Peak value of the current, I is the instantaneous value of the current, I naught is peak value of the current, IRMS is root means square value of the current, I square bar is square of the current का square root, that is IRMS। IRMS find out करने के लिए हम लोग I square find out कर दिए, ठीक है ना? I hope you can understand this। so yesterday we should study average circuit resistor along this supply is called as AC supply, very good, AC supply is called as like that। so current is passing through it, output is like that, voltage sign for voltage, otherwise E, both are same, this is current, so both the peak value is same, am I right? both have a maximum value is same, that means E naught I naught in the same time, in the index resistor only this will be happen, so only resistor in the circuit both are in phase, which both are? E and I both are in phase, maybe the circuit is like that, this is the symbol of AC and inductor, this is the symbol of capacitor, maybe inductor or capacitor in the circuit not coming like that, this is voltage or E, this is current, you can see पहले जा रहे one नीचे आ रहे, am I right? which one is coming first? current is coming first, then after that voltage, so which one is going first? that is called as leading, which one is पीछे आ रहे? that is called as lagging, so not in same, so this is in phase, these are in out phase, out phase में two terms आ रहे, leading and lagging, clear everyone? only resistor means no leading, no lagging, only in phase, maybe in the case of inductor and capacitor that is out phase, maximum एक ही टाइम में नहीं आ रहा, maximum एक ही टाइम में नहीं आ रहा, so out phase बोलेगा, out phase have leading or lagging, what do you mean by leading? which one is attain maximum first, another one नीचे आ जाऊंगा, that is lagging, leading or lagging, so inductor में capacitor में leading और lagging है, मतलब out of phase है, resistor में in phase है, so very important for you, in phase, out phase, lead and lag, डायग्राम देखिए क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, स्टॉप इट प्लीज।